Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a kiwi mojito. First, gather your ingredients: fresh kiwi, mint leaves, lime wedges, and simple syrup. Begin by gently muddling about 10 mint leaves with 2 lime wedges in a sturdy glass. This releases their aromatic oils. Next, add 2 ounces of fresh kiwi puree and 1 ounce of simple syrup to the glass. These initial steps are crucial for building the drink's vibrant base. Now that our base is ready, it's time for the star of the show, the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. White rum is traditional for mojitos and complements the kiwi beautifully. Next, fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito is perfectly chilled and refreshing. Give everything a good stir for about 15 seconds to mix all the delightful flavors. Almost there. To add that signature mojito fizz, top off your drink with about 3 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Pour it slowly to preserve the bubbles. Give it a very gentle stir, just enough to combine the soda without flattening the effervescence. Finally, for a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your refreshing kiwi mojito with a fresh kiwi slice and a vibrant sprig of mint. Enjoy your easy creation. Your delicious and easy kiwi mojito is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to experience its peak freshness and vibrant flavors. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of simple syrup or lime juice to suit your personal taste, making it sweeter or tartar. For a slightly lighter version, feel free to substitute club soda with sparkling water. Cheers to your homemade, refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.